Happy Cinco de Mayo. Today we're going to be making margaritas. Arriba!
Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be making a drink for Cinco de Mayo. So we're going to make a batch of margarita in our pitcher.
And so we're going to start out with some lime juice. So we cut and squeezed limes, fresh limes, to enough to get a whole cup. And so we're going to pour that in first.
Alright, and then I'm going to add in a cup of triple sec.
We're going to do simple syrup. And simple syrup is just sugar and water boiled together. And this will give it its sweetness. And so I'm going to pour a cup.
Alright, so those are all equal parts. So now I'm going to add in double of the tequila.
And so that is a batch of margarita. We're going to stir it up really good, kind of like as if we were shaking it. Now, if you want more, this is a 2-gallon pitcher. You could double that up, do 2 cups of lime juice instead of 1, and then just double everything up. And so, you want to finish it off?
Yeah. We're gonna pour some drinks.
There you go.
There we have it. We have a couple margaritas, and it looks like we'll have a couple more.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's really
That's
good.
really good. And that's why we drink.
See you next
Happy
week.
Cinco de Mayo. All right, see you next
Bye.
week. Bye-bye.